Guys, I've just watched episode 15 of Uthando Nesithembu. Hey, a lot went on there. And if you want to find out what happened, then stay tuned to this video. Episode 15 continues from where episode 14 left from. You remember that Omsele were on a vacation and there was a lot going on with Omangwabe refusing to give Umsele the fruit, Umakele refusing to go with the whole family, and fans were shocked by the way episode 14 ended, which was a conversation that was between Umakhumalo and Umsele. So, episode 15 started from that conversation. And on the conversation, Umus was trying to reprimand Umakhumalo. Apparently, Makhumalo was trying to take Mayene's place. So, Umus was trying to avoid that from happening. That is why he decided to have a sitting with Umakhumalo. And this became my highlight of this episode. I even created a separate video talking about it. And if you want to check it out, then scroll down on this channel. Now, let's go to the second interesting plot of the episode. Fans of Uthando Nesithembu on Twitter are debating Nini's statement on the recent episode of the show. So, here's what happened. While the family was having lunch, and this was toward the end of the episode, conversations were flowing all around the table, and as you might expect, Nini had a lot to say there. Among the things that he said, girls are like a taxi because everyone wants to ride them, has to pay. Honestly guys, I've never thought of this, but I kind of feel like he's right though. But look at it this way, we all know how kids are, guys. Let's be factual about this. I don't think that Umnini is a disrespectful child. I mean, even my kid have tendencies of saying things that he's not supposed to say, but getting overexcited once in a while doesn't make him a bad or a disrespectful child. And by the way, I think he was right. The only thing that makes it wrong is that this whole thing was said by a child. Now enough about children. Umangwabe uphindile futhi lo wawenze last week. She kept Umusa waiting in his room. I'll just end this one there, guys. I don't even want to comment with regard to this. All I can say is I love the way they laughed about it after playing golf. I think that was beautiful. So yeah, a lot happened, guys. But yeah, that is all I'm going to mention in this video. So do comment in the comment section and let me know what did you think about this week's episode of Uthando Nesithembu. And if you enjoyed content in this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And with that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.